Okay, let's begin. First off, we got a car over here. Decided to drive up there because obviously that is definitely a better decision. Let's go this way, shall we? Trading through the water. This rain is by far alright, let's go. Woo! These people, God dang, they ain't worrying about it. They got insurance. He's gonna get up, blah, 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 blah. Let's go. Oh yeah, this whole thing filled up, man. Whatever the hell was over there is not over here. 100%. Whew. Oh yeah. Now I had to get this step down right here. Up. Hold up. I just got stuck. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Nice stuff. Just cars just underwater chilling, you know. Typical day down here in Houston, Texas. Ain't nothing changed. Let's go this way, shall we? Let me find this step down. Find this step down real quick. Okay, that's a step down right there. And we're traveling. Cars is getting the hell up out of here, man. Oh. So it seems like the water's just where the dips are. Cause I think I'm about to come up here. It ain't about to be that much water right here. Yeah, coming up out the water. People just chilling. Whole neighborhood. What kind of solutions you got? We need some solutions. So yeah, it ain't really no water right here. Oh, doing pretty good. Just checking it out. Yeah. Wow. It's crazy, right? Oh yeah. I don't know if that person's on camera, hopefully, but I ain't want to put it on them like that, you know what I'm talking about? Chilling and watching. Oh, let's go back up. Go back up. People just putting their cars up on top of stuff. Let's go to the pool, man. Let's go check out the pool, man. I want to go swimming. Let's go check out this pool real quick. My phone break. I'm gonna be mad. Alrighty. About to go check out this pool real quick. Let's see. Pool look nice. Pool still look nice. Oh, water ain't playing though. Checking out the front of the apartments right now. Seeing what's going on. Pool still look nice. Pool still look nice. Pool look like he ain't even got a fix. For real. Oh yeah. So it looked like what it is only our side is, oh my goodness, never mind. Just when you thought shit was sweet, caught a person on the boat. Welcome to H-Town, ladies and gentlemen. Just a normal day. Hello, how you doing? Oh, we ain't going nowhere. You know we're going nowhere? Oh, nah, we ain't going nowhere. Yeah. What it is?